predictive analytics modeling सारी होगी, वो data आएगा कहाँ से? Good. और कुछ? Where does a public limited company file its financials? Any idea? Good. Any other company? Any other legal body? SEC. Good. Good. We take all of this data, we standardize it, we format it, and we sell it back to clients, and then do consultancy reports on it as well. Okay, that's our business model of market intelligence vertical. Okay, so we do all of that. We put some standardization on it, and we sell it to back. Okay, you would be interested. Why would people buy that? Any takers on why would someone pay a lot for us?
Because you have the access to other competitors within the market.
So आप भी ले सकते हैं. As a client, if you're on the other side, you can get that data, right?
So you will be providing us with the analysis, time principles, how that would affect the company's valuation and pricing in the market.
So we provide a end-to-end solution which enables you to make those decisions. Okay, we have three kind of platforms. One is a web-based, जिस सामने से एक का नाम लिया, उसमें ही embedded है mapping. ठीक है? So how powerful will it be for you to ensure कि mapping tool में you put a branch, ठीक है? You put a pin कि you want to open up a new branch at point A. How many branches do you have in the surrounding? What is the average household income around that place? So you decide what products to offer in that specific branch of yours. Okay? All of that is done through our
sort of product market fit.
हाँ, वो आपको एक location में करके नीचे सारा data आ जाता है, and you can do it. ठीक है? If you want to open up a power plant, ठीक है, or set up a power plant, you need to see what type of power plant you want to do. What does the region look like in terms of fuel, and what is the average household income? ताकि आप, let's say you're producing expensive electricity through solar, तो आपने capex तो return लेना है ना. So if you're doing something like coal, तो वो तो long-term return देगा. So all of that is done through our product. All of the data is housed in our product, and a lot of that is done in Pakistan. Okay, so the commercial team which I manage, it's 500 people. Some of you want to do like business development, that's done from Pakistan as well, across the globe. So pre-sales, after-sales, and post-sales is all done from Pakistan. You work with the same clients, you work with the same kind of people as a US counterpart.
So what does the global offices do if everything is being done from Pakistan?
Yeah, they do the same work. They get just for different markets and different time zones, we do it differently. We have a smaller team, client-facing teams in the US who go and talk to clients, right? Some clients want in-person interactions. Some clients are okay doing it virtually. And to ensure that we cover the globe, we have offices in Pakistan, India, Manila. I'll show you a map as well on our global footprint and presence. So wherever a client wants us to be there in presence, in person, we go there.
So can we say that Pakistan office is working solely for one geographical area?
No. It's working across the globe for all geographies. So we work 24/7. So right now we have people as well. We have people early in the morning. So that's the kind of exposure you will get if you work with SM. See? Any questions, any curiosities in your head? सबको समझ आ गया?
You have different platforms to cater to the qualities in that industry.
What?
You have different platforms to cater to different qualities in industry.
Like what kind of platforms and commodities? Are you referring to like a oil versus a metal, iron ore, and all of those? Yeah. So all of that is housed in a single platform, which is called CIQ Pro, right? So if you want to pull the prices for iron ore, you'll have different options either through the website or through a plugin where you can pull data for multiple years and multiple regions as well. So you can pull all of that into an analysis there. So we're trying to combine our products into a single product. Right now we have 273 products, right? How tough is it for you as an end user to see कि जी मैंने किस product से क्या? Okay, so we're trying to merge everything into a single product, and our product is a subscription-based product. So you pay for what you want, and you'll get it, right? So we're like a big grocery store. You step in, you pick and choose what you want to buy. You go to the cart, go to the counter, and check out, and go from there as well. That's what we have to offer for our clients. Okay? Why us? So we are very differentiated in the market based on our competitors, right? We have data which is unparalleled in the industry. We are the only company which gives an error reward of $50 if you point out an error in our data. That's the pride we take in our data, right? Clients literally have to hunt and search for errors because we go through multiple layers of data verification. And the biggest team we have in the globe is the data entry team. That's around 6,000 people who do data entry day in, day out, verify data. Someone said SCCP से जो data आता है, it's not a manual thing, it's done through a feed. ठीक है? Feed में data आ रहा है, wherever we have put validation checks, let's say एक branch, एक bank की branch is 10 million आ रही है, which is a little absurd, उसको check करें. ठीक है? अगर वो Arabic में port हुआ था, comma की जगह dot put हो गया था, all of that is done in. So all of that is what we take pride in as well. SNL का नाम सुना किसी? What? That's what we used to get. 2015 से पहले there were two companies. One was Capital IQ and one was SNL. ठीक है? SNL used to give data a mile deep in data coverage. ठीक है? So they used to have very specific sector specific data. Energy, metals, real estate, technology, media and telecommunication, banking and insurance. Okay? They didn't cover every other industry in the world. They were very specific. Okay? They were very unique. That's why they had a huge margin in terms of their profits as well. S&P on the flip side had a mile wide depth width in coverage. So they used to cover like Airbus, Boeing and everything, but at a very high level, right? सिर्फ ऐसे उनके वो दिखाते थे आपको financial सब के आपको SCCP से single feed से मिल जाते थे. But when they merge, they have all of this best in class database for the clients. ठीक है? Any idea पाकिस्तान में कितने power plants होंगे? No? चलें एक और सवाल. I have a product demo later as well. I've kept it for that. Apple का power plants होंगे? क्यों? वो एक पावर प्लांट यार एक ऑफिस से बहुत बड़ा चीज कर लेता है पावर छोटा सा पावर प्लांट भी लगाओ फैक्ट्रीज उनकी चाइना में है हेड ऑफिस उनका यूएस में है पावर प्लांट भी लगाएंगे यार अपन तो all of that data which is not available in SEC filing is available in our platform because we take it not just from a single source but multiple resources. ठीक है? We focus a lot on AI and machine learning. आप कहते हैं we are trying to embed, I think she was a 2016 graduate or 2018 graduate thing. She started in client support team and then she diversified her career into writing the scripts for a chatbot. Okay, that's very different kind of a career path which you can take with S&P. So all of that is AI and machine learning driven, right? You get all of the data as to what are the client queries, you evolve it on the daily basis. That's what we do here as well. Private markets, तो क्या concept होगा? Any idea? Public का तो बता दिया उन्होंने SCCP से डेटा आते हैं। छोटी कंपनी होगी प्राइवेट वो जो SCCP रजिस्टर्ड ही होगी आपकी वो प्राइवेट कंपनी होगी उसका डेटा कहाँ से लेंगे जो SCCP को रिपोर्ट ही नहीं करता कहीं भी ग्लोबली कहीं चाइना में कहाँ करेंगे सऊदी अरब में कहाँ करेंगे सर्विस गुड नहीं फिल करेंगे तो हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते ठीक है what are the primary research करें that's through service as well so we have localized reporting so every has to report somewhere right we've partnered with them and we are developing a very unique offering which is the private market offering and guess which is the biggest market and demand for this data हाथ खड़ा करके जवाब दीजिएगा प्राइवेट मार्केट की सबसे बड़ी डिमांड कहाँ पे है डेटा की जस्ट कंट्री बनानी है गुड नहीं यस शेयरिंग यू कैन probably give them start distributing swagger क्यों वो ले रहे हैं इतना प्राइवेट मार्केट डेटा any price or good और क्या करेंगे what are they what is the Saudi market trying to do what is the specific strategy सारे यार finance से virtual
Reduce your dependency.
good
class of data for those who want to get
Yeah, but they're way beyond that point in time.
Eventually reverses that because of because they're trying to advance further, but they just spoil in tourism.
They're trying to make Riyadh and the future of the London and Dubai and the Hong Kong and China as well. They're trying to break everything and every investor to house them. They have huge land, huge pieces of land which is unused, and then aircraft they're using all of that. And that's why they're getting private market data, so everyone can come and do. Okay?
Won't these private companies grow and eventually become public companies?
And or fail as well. Or fail as well. So that time will tell. But right now, if you have 100 rupees and you want to make it 1,000 tomorrow, you'll probably go into a private company because the probability of getting to 1,000 is 4 times as compared to a public company. So depending your risk appetite, you do that. Okay, so that's why people want a lot of data on private markets, private companies, because their return on investment is a lot higher. But on the flip side, the risk is high. So that's why it's a big demand as well. Supply chain, the concept, kya hai? Any idea? Simple word, hai? Answer भी उसी में ही है. Why should I am asking? Any takers के? Who's the biggest player of supply chain in Pakistan?
without
यार वो तो सिर्फ PNG के लिए ये 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स को 2-3 कंपनीज को करते हैं.
TNT. TNT.
No, any idea? अक्सर आपने वो ट्रक्स देखे होंगे फिरते हुए रोड पे. Good. He probably deserves one as well. NLC is the largest by far supply chain company in Pakistan. What do we have to do with supply chain? Any idea? Think at a big level, at a global macro level. What helps to transport the largest amount of equipment or cargo? Good.
Ports के ऊपर जो usually मसले होते हैं, stuff like that.
But every ship, every legal vessel in the world has a registration number, just like every car in Pakistan in the world. We do that. We have the monopoly in the world to give that registration number. So every ship is tracked real time, and you can see if let's say you are a vendor in US, you ordered something from China, that ship from China went to Dubai, was there for 3 days, moved to Frankfurt and to US. So if you have a competitor who's sending it to you direct 3 days in advance, how impactful is that? You can make 3 days of more money as well. So we have a product, a platform which is called Factiva, which master supply shipping in Pakistan. To your question, that's what all CS measures do. We make this product in Islam. So we have approximately 500 people who make this product in Islamabad.
This product only available for the public companies
Yeah.
and corporations.
Private?
Or for the government as well.
Who are our clients? अच्छा वो मैं अभी अपनी अगली स्लाइड में डिस्कस करूंगा.
उसको install facilities in global.
यार
I heard Elise podcast में वो कह रहे थे कि उसने काफी बेहतर की है. लेकिन अगर फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लोबल प्लेयर्स जैसे भी ग्लोबल प्लेयर वो आके वो बोटलनेक्स जहाँ पे नहीं है उसको स्ट्रीमलाइन करते हैं वो बोटलनेक्स खत्म हो जाए. यस ट्रेड में पाकिस्तान को
Yeah, the only issue with Pakistan is the lack of data being reported. If Ali Zaidi Saab is sitting there, I when I resolve his problem, मैं उनको कहूँगी आप मुझे data भेज देते हैं, मैं वो problem solve. There is no structured data as to which container is coming and what that container is carrying is a tertiary question because उसमें होती चीन का उसको report करके देते हैं कि इसमें तो spare parts. So if that is not being done, how can we track it?
टूल तो होना चाहिए ना कि
टूल तो है, टूल तो हमारा है.
मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ मैं शिपमेंट मंगवा रहा हूँ मैं गलत रिपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ कुछ
हाँ
तो वहाँ पे ऐसे कोई टूल आना चाहिए फ्रॉम कि वो उसको भी बाईपास करे और वो वाले जो मसले गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे आ रहे हैं उनको
we do that when whichever company wants to or whichever legal authority wants to partner with us. our last three biggest deals of the supply chain data are with the Australian Navy, because they monitor all of that, Sri Lankan Navy, and we wanted to do something with Pakistan Navy or the Pakistan Mercantile Exchange, which does all of that as well, but they didn't want it because of some vested interest or something. So we have the potential of doing it. We just need the right amount of data to be listed into our platform.
If for example government says कि नहीं data नहीं और वो भी आप लोग किसी तरह उसको solution provide देंगे data management भी आप लोग provide करें.
Data reporting, data reporting या collection तो KPT की authority ना, Karachi Port Trust. अगर we take the if we take that, then we can do. Yes.
So we S&P Global has.
We have that. देखो, we have made those models. We have done this for the Singapore ports and everything, so we can do it's a plug and play kind of a thing for us. So its volume is nothing as compared to what we are managing to. So we have that potential of doing it. The government just shies away from us for other reasons. Then everything will be transparent. Okay, what is coming in Pakistan? उसमें यहाँ तक होता है कि let's say a container comes, half of the container is empty, and then is loaded with something else. We even track that. So what got off at which port and what was added at what port. Yes.
Why is Olympic data specifically a problem?
Because no one wants to report it. How many times do you go to a gas station and they say credit card nahi chalta? Right? That's if they do everything on cash, there's no way to capture their sale. Right? वो मशीन उन्होंने छुपा के रखी होती है. आप कह दो कि नहीं चल रहा, फिर नहीं चला तो नहीं चल रहा, फिर आपको निकाल लो, जैसे पेट्रोल जितना भी डाले, वो फिर साइड से मशीन ले आता है, सर ये ले. See, that's what government is trying to do to ensure everything is tracked. Until and unless everything is not tracked, how we can make analytics out of it. Okay? So that's a problem which we have. Okay, our location. Just a fancy slide to tell you where are we based, the employees and the revenue we have. Yeah, we closed our operations after the Russia-Ukraine war. We had operations. So we do not operate in conflict areas. So we moved all of our team from Russia to Dubai. Otherwise, the easiest to move people in a couple of days notice.
So you have little to no presence in Africa other than South Africa. If you even look at the MENA region, it's what's the and the MENA region, other than what's going on now, the MENA region is known to be very safe in terms of.
Our consumer of data is not there, and all the companies which are operating there, let's say a JP Morgan or HSBC, have master contracts from a London office or a New York office.
So even the countries like Nigeria, which is
they just we don't need a presence there. We send our team from a Dubai office or a South Africa office there for the same concern.
There, but you're not based there.
We don't house there. जितने छोटे मुल्क होते हैं ना, we host a sales team with a flying distance of less than 8 hours, so they can go and do it over there.
Sure.
आपका क्वेश्चन ये आएगा कि उधर नहीं है, you have presence in Argentina and Brazil.
I mean, Nepal में based नहीं वो समझ में आता है. Africa is like.
It's a very unstable market to work in as well. Not safe. So इसलिए we want to keep our people at a fine distance. Johannesburg से आते हैं, दुबई से आते हैं, so they work with people over there.
Why don't you have office in the world?
यार वो मैंने पहले भी आंसर किया था. The safest place to work in Pakistan as per S&P standards is Islamabad.
Right.
Even right now, we might change that. Yeah.
What does it mean that $4.4 billion plus DBA?
वो market intelligence का dollar का ये है. Overall, the company made a 15 billion revenue. This is just for market intelligence, which is one division, which is the largest division of the company. That's their revenue, employee count, products, services, and customer count.
A little too much about location, but again, you've got a lot of presence in India. So you go Hyderabad, I guess Hyderabad and high-tech. But then you're looking at 5 different locations, right? So and India is already an established market.
Yeah.
So let's make your incentive, and it's also flying distance.
Yeah, very good question. I like your observation. Pakistan and Pakra and JC are, we acquired their credit rating agency, which was CRISIL. So when we acquired Crystal, they already had offices in two of the locations. And our legacy office was, so we had one in Ahmedabad, which is on the east coast of India, and then Hyderabad. बाकी whenever we do acquisitions and mergers ना उससे भी आपको कुछ offices मिल जाते हैं. तभी एक बहुत recent acquisition हुई है, हमने Visible Alpha की है. That has helped us to get an office of around 500 people in Pune. Who would have thought Pune would be a business district, but we have had that as well. So all of this is, some of that is organic growth, and some of that is a result of mergers and acquisitions. So this is how we operate. US maybe you will see that we are not all across US. We are on either on the east coast, west coast, on the southern belt of the country, because that's where the business is done. Some आपके clients का पूछा था? Who are our clients? Someone asked. So these are our clients. Why is Lums are not our client? No, every university is like that. Stanford is a non-for-profit. पहला client, sorry अगर मैं आपको रास्ते में बता, तो पहला client is academia. Good. FYPs जो आपके होते हैं, right? Final year projects. You do projects throughout every course. उस पर data चाहिए होता है ना? वो कहाँ से आएगा? अभी आप कहाँ से लेते हो? Google करके?
Simple Excel का tool है वो उसमें directly भी access कर लो, given मैं subscribe करता हूँ.
तो आपको हम कितने सब्सक्रिप्शन देंगे?
Individually नहीं.
हाँ. If you get as a academia, as an academic body, so you get a lot of things. आप लोगों ने देखे Bloomberg terminal होता है यहाँ पे, वो अभी भी है या it's closed? हाँ. So वो I think वो खत्म हो गया मेरे ख्याल से. For we are negotiating with the relevant team to see if we can do a S&P portal or a CapIQ and a CapIQ portal. यार we are little
industry में जाके वो
हाँ वो बहुत ज़्यादा यूजेज होगी. Our product is a little expensive. हाँ वो
Bloomberg's expensive.
Yeah, Bloomberg's expensive by far. But the data we have is way more extensive than a Bloomberg. Bloomberg में simple ratings ही नहीं है ना. Bloomberg का ratings करते हैं we do that. So that's one absolute advantage to.
How do you differentiate S&P Global from Moody's and Fitch?
That Moody's भी देखो सिर्फ ratings करता है, Fitch भी ratings करता है. हमारा सिर्फ एक vertical है which does ratings. ठीक है, जब आप market intelligence वाले side पे चले जाओगे, so we'll have other competitors, right? So you have to buy 4 products from different people to make a portfolio, and if you buy a capital like your S&P product, that does the same for you. Depending on your approach towards business, you can get 4 vendors and get some overlapping data. You can get 1 vendor for all the data. So you have to इस पर dependence बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. अगर हमारा server down हो जाए, so you're in trouble. So depending on everyone on what they wanted. So these are all the clients which we look after globally. We're trying to land either a Lums or a Nust in Pakistan to develop some full factor. जब आप 2 साल use करते रहोगे हमारा plugin, and when you land into the market, you know कि S&P करता क्या है, कैसे करता है, and when you sit in an interview, you can talk about this stuff as well.
For insurance, are you guys just providing them the data, or are you also helping them price their insurance policies?
Yeah, we don't help them price it. We provide them the data so they can use the data to price it. We don't provide pricing services. So the actuarial sciences wala work now, we don't do that. We don't do that. So we just focus on giving insurance data. Any question on a clientele base?
What sort of professional services does S&P Global?
यार वो मैंने consulting services की बात की थी ना. We have a division which
has a McKinsey type consulting.
हाँ Islamic consulting. So we look in all the global markets and look for projects where we can do primary research, secondary research, and publish consultant reports there as well. We did a report last year in Pakistan. It was a consortium of 4 big companies. They put a bid that we need research on used cooking oil and animal fat industry of Pakistan. A very unique study. So we did that for them. We got published. So that's what we do in terms of professional services. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shireen does that look. Shireen has a laptop, but she's the one who made this slide. What does this slide represent? This is my favorite slide, because this represents my department. What do you think this tells you?
What the customer achieves,
What the customer?
how the customer achieves, and basically the journey that the customer goes through to achieve the goals that you've got.
Good. He's right on spot. He probably needs the
In this process of sort of
and the company is providing the sort of इस तरह से business ये कर रही है. Start for end.
To end, yeah. We call it the customer journey map, end to end from point A till point B. It was technically a vicious cycle as well. We tried to break the cycle. So this is what we do. Our pre-sales job or a prospecting team, as we call it, helps you discover value. So they'll look at your profiles. They'll see what you do on day in, day out basis, whether you are an existing user or whether you are not a user of S&P, but a user of Bloomberg. They'll reach out to you with some brochures, with some pamphlet, and ask you to see, let's do a demo call as well. So that's what they do. They help you do it. A lot of fresh graduates who are into business development land this book. Okay, so they can help develop business as well. Once that is done, what do you think? There's a big buzzword in terms of a career as well. What kind of careers or what kind of team should step in?
Experience.
Good. इसने बोला. Good. Customer experience, customer success teams is a big word. That team steps in and tells them what's the reason to buy our product, right? They give them demos. They tell them if you use this, your time to make investments is going to be shortened. Because that has a lot of people from LUMS and NUST in that as well. So these people go through extensive training programs about our product, and then they give demos to clients globally to equip them to buy us. Okay? Any idea what would be buying experience? क्या है? अब आपने एक चीज आपने डिसाइड कर लिया खरीदनी है, क्या करोगे उसमें? नहीं पहले तो इनवॉइस वाले तो आएंगे, ऐसे थोड़ी होगा. So we have an internal team, so not everyone is very extrovert or very outgoing, wants to talk to clients. Some people are master of back-end processing. So this team enables the buying experience. Uska legal contract, a lawyer like you. How does law and finance merge in together? We have a legal counsel which vets and creates every draft we have.
Every draft as in, for
What?
example, I buy an S&P 2.
Yeah. It's going to be a contract. It's going to be a legal contract of what you can do with our data and how much you can use it as well. तो आप कहीं आपने अपनी रिसर्च में से कोट कर दिया कि S&P ग्लोबल है, we'll be held accountable ना. आपको तो नहीं पूछेगा, हमें पूछेगा कि आपने ये नंबर किया था, आपका नंबर ये रिपोर्ट हो रहा है, who did it? So we have all of that buying experience end to end in a CRM tool. Any idea what is a CRM tool?
Customer relationship.
Good. Which is the best CRM tool in the world? Salesforce. Good. Shireen, we have a Salesforce winner. We'll talk about Salesforce as well because we have Salesforce and we do a lot of analysis reporting on Salesforce as well. But all the backend work of generating those contracts and sales and everything is done by a team. It's called order to cash. Okay, it's called OTC from the name. It's very easy. From the point the client's order till the point cash receives, this team is in. Okay, so if you want to be at the back end master of Salesforce, at the front end and the back end, you can make a career as well. Welcome experience के लिए customer success gets engaged in as well. We use this team as well. Unlock value and validate value. So we have a team which does a lot of demos. Okay, that's the client support team. We get inbound queries from clients through emails, phones, and chats. Chats वाली we have automated by having bots. ठीक है, वो bot एक हद तक जा सकता है. उसके बाद it needs to be routed to someone who's going to be an industry specialist to do it. An industry specialist has a training of anywhere between 4 weeks to 6 weeks. Okay, you need to learn the industry, you need to learn the jargon, and then you need to interact with clients. But if you're talking to someone over a phone, the client doesn't care if that person is right out of school or that person is seasoned for 5 years. Okay, there's a big myth about us being a call center. If you're using a phone to talk to clients, I don't think that's possible. Right? Call centers are very orthodox. Dialing आपको whitelist दी जाती है and everything. So this is what they do. And then in retain and grow, a lot of people who start their career in prospecting, client support, customer success, go into account management. Right? Any idea what an account manager does usually? Right? Or a portfolio of clients. ठीक है? हम उसको कहते हैं a book of business. Right? So you'll get a book of business which has 8 to 10 clients, and your job is to ensure that they stick with us and they constantly buy more and more from us. So that's your job as an account manager / relationship manager. Okay? Not just get more clients, but to retain as well. So we have, let's say you have a BOB of $50 million. आपने उसमें से 50 में से 45 को renew किया, so your net renewal rate is 90%. Our goal is to have a 95% net renewal rate, and then you sign up. Okay.
The CSMs, the customer success managers, they work with account managers.
Yeah, they sometimes work with account managers, but most of them trying to work directly with managers. But irrespective of the CRM tool we have gives you all the diagnostics. So if a client is a subscriber of banking or for banking will use the Kara, so CSM needs to be quick on that and analyze those trends and give a demo. If we have this new feature, can we get your usage on this? Yeah, so that's what a customer success manager does day in day out. उनको भी एक बहुत ही a book of business, and their job is to ensure that they keep on using. We track every hit using usage queue. ठीक है, तो आप JP Morgan की अगर हमारी hits कम हो रही हैं, we can see कहाँ पे कम हो रही है, क्यों कम. And then you need to target and see how can we drive those hits.
Developing new products, upsell करना है.
Upsell करना है, cross sell करना है, everything. Greenfield, brownfield, everything is done by the account management team, the prospecting team, and customers. They even sit on the same floor as us to drive these things. Any other questions? Any idea? I think this is an overview of our couple of products. We have a Excel-based template. Financial modeling होती है. We have around, I was probably have it open for you as well, 570 financial models which are in our library for our clients to choose. Right? On a single click, you can refresh it. Who makes these models? I have a 60 people team in India and Pakistan making it. Couple of people from LUMS are part of it. In Islamabad, you have this library, and then clients ask us to make customized models based on their requirement. Right? We have State Bank of Pakistan, we have HPL are our clients. They send specific requests and we make those models for them. So if you like Excel, if you have a knack for technology, numbers, and SQL and VBA, this is a career starting point for you as well.
In this bank, for example, the middle office is over the financial models. So, उनकी jobs कम होगी market में.
That's why we are thriving, or we are buying us, and why does JP Morgan make their own models when they can get it from S&P with just and the data from us?
But still, for example, JP Morgan will make it up with putting job postings
The
again.
nature of job is changed.
Requirements, financial modeling and all that. So, फिर अगर ये tool है तो फिर what that requirement?
Well, yeah, that's for them to answer. हमारा तो very different model है. My financial modeling team does make these models. I have a couple of them. Like, have you heard about DuPont analysis? It's done for private companies which do not report ROE. So we have made a model, single click say you can see 10 companies, 10 years of ROE. You can select the company, select the years, how effective it is. VAT का सुना हुआ आपने?
Financial modeling is easy to do.
Depending on what career you want to make, man.
For example, investment banking.
You have to start from scratch. Then if you want to go into investment management, specifically into the finance side, I'll say go for it. And it's a tool, Excel, Power BI, Microsoft SQL is a tool which will take you to two places. मैंने यहाँ लाउंज में सिर्फ हमारी initial VBA सिखाते थे, वो ही सीखी थी. But when I stepped into S&P, I took 3 months of crash course to learn SQL. Because this is how the world is evolving. And these are the skills which you need. मैंने आप सबके लिए एक list बनाई हुई है on the skills you should be mastering by and this is Excel is part of it. Excel is not basic Excel. Excel is high level Excel as to what you can do and how you can do it as well. I can.
Umar has a question.
Is VBI not going to be extinct because lately we have seen Python being used more often, Excel as well, or Python is thriving way more than VBA because Python is able to analyze way larger data sets at a much lesser time than VBA would.
Yeah, if you still go to the very basics of Excel, creating multiple macros still require you to do it in Visual Basic, right? आपको विजुअल बेसिक नहीं आती तो हाउ विल यू लर्न पाइथन? सो बेसिक्स आप कवर कर लो, एवरीथिंग एल्स इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट. सो इसलिए विजुअल बेसिक इतनी आनी चाहिए कि यू कैन मेक कपल ऑफ मैक्रोज, enabling macros to refresh sheets, clear sheets and everything, which is a CS1 kind of thing. You should know that. Okay? This is very powerful thing for all of you to know. We have 3 models that I spoke about delivering data to clients. Web-based, which is our product. Excel-based is financial models, and data feed options. What is going to be a data feed option? Any CS measures? क्या होगी data feed? वो तो वो होगा ना, वेब बेस्ड हो गया. Bloomberg terminal वही है, terminal है. You put in query and it's gonna spit it out.
For example, such as APIs, अगर आपने जैसे कि हम WhatsApp से इंटीग्रेट करते हैं सारी ऐड करते हैं, उसके बाद भी WhatsApp API से इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, कस्टमर आएंगे और वहां से सारा
Good.
फाइनेंशियल मार्केट सेक्टर में तो डेटाबेस
हाँ वही वाली. So you are a client. You do not care how the data looks like. You just care about the data. आपका अपना इंटरफेस है. आप let's say we use the example of JP Morgan multiple times. आप JP Morgan हो. आप कहते हो जी मुझे सिर्फ S&P से डेटा चाहिए, data in raw form. That's when we'll create a feed for you. ठीक है. आप कहते हो जी मुझे डेटा क्वार्टरली चाहिए. Every quarter the company reports their filing. ठीक है. हम आपको क्वार्टरली डेटा की फीड बना के दे देंगे आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स में. It's gonna hit your system and it's gonna populate as per your requirement. So we have 3 business model: a web-based, a Excel-based, and a data feed as well, which is the fastest growing. Who has an answer? Sorry.
I'm guessing it's data flow.
Why?
Well, I would say because you said it involves computer science, and that's the, we can say the leading, computer science can have a leading in the future.
A, that's right, and B, it enables you to configure the data in the way you want to do it, right? You're not limited to S&P style of representation. You can customize the data as per your own requirements and trends as well. Okay? Do you want to see the product? Oh, just one person says, otherwise, let's me. So this is how the, oh, sorry. Only if I had taken a couple of more courses of CS at LUMS. Can you see my a different screen there, or you can still see this screen? Okay. I'm just going to take another second here. You can still see this slide, right? Yeah, that's what's supposed to be there. But why isn't it showing up here? Any brave soul can help me. देखो इधर यार मैंने ना इस पे जाकर I can stop sharing. If I do share, go to this. This is window cut. Windows cut. And now I go this window. Share.
जिन्होंने सिक्योरिटी आपने कोई इसकी बैकएंड पे
Security होनी तो चाहिए. Shouldn't have any security.
you can just take a screenshot and then you
No, I wanted to show them the interactive product. How is it working? So it should be. अगर आप वो duplicate screen कर लो उसको करके. That should work.
can maybe ओपन कीजिएगा दोबारा से वो मीटिंग
ये देखो तो meeting है. Sharing on and on. आप विंडो कर लो वो कर ये विंडो में ये वाली नीचे वाली विंडो आ रही सेंटर में. Share करो.
Go look at some stuff. And we get run without that.
Close this. It's working. Something is happening. Oh, there you go. Was not that bad of a student at CS. Okay, there you go. Our interactive platform. This is how the dashboard looks like. So anyone who buys our product can get this dashboard. It is 200% customizable. This is what I put for myself. You can see the real-time depiction of the SPX stock price right now happening in the world. All of the tickers which I've added based on the market, they are moving up. The Asia markets is closed right now. So you won't see any movement there, but the European and the American markets is open and you'll see real-time activity there. Okay, that's the dashboard. Any favorite company of yours? Any company you would like to see on our platform? Isne jawab diya. Yeah, go global, man. Why do you want to stay local? Okay. Okay. मैंने just for safe के internet चलेगा नहीं चलेगा HBL और Apple खोल के रखी थी, but we can do a Tesla as well. Tesla का ticker आता है आपको? What is the ticker? TSLA ये? Good. ये ले जी टेस्ला खुल गया हमारे पास. From the very basic profile company, okay, how does the company look like? Where is the company based? The corporate data, their performance, where they headquarter. Anything on अगर आपको नजर आ रहा है anything interesting on the left hand side? You want to see? You want me to click on it? Yeah, you can come in the front. If I zoom in, तो वो चीजें जरा limitation हो जाएंगी. What was unique to us? I can use the chair and do it effectively for you guys. आप यहाँ पे देख लो, when we expand financials, you'll see two sections. एक आता है as reported. ठीक है? As reported is as we take it from the company's 10K, 10Qs and 8Ks, right? What is templated is we create a template. We have people like you define the certain formulas for certain fields across the industry. Okay, once that is done, then we put these financial statements in the templated model, right? It's very easy for someone who's making investment decisions to compare apples to apples, right? If you compare apple to oranges, you won't get the right decision. So this is gonna be structured across the segment for all companies falling in that segment. And the good thing is, if you hover around it, you will see the definition around it. Okay, you'll see the definition and you'll see how this number, if it's computed, how is it computed as well. See, you'll say their revenue is a combination of automotive sales, automotive regulatory credits, automotive leasing, energy generation and storage, and services and others, which combines to make this number. Okay, how easy it is to buy this data. Okay, if you click on it, you'll see the source document as well. Right? If you click on it, it will open up a window and take you to that specific source document, highlight that value in that document. So you as an investment manager or investment banker do not have to go through each document and chase each document as well. आपका boss से पूछेगा ना document कहाँ ये source क्या है इस number का, ये आपके सामने highlight हुआ है, right? Do you wanna do some other example? और कोई company खोलनी है? Or let's say I like this company, I'll hold on to this company. आप बताएं.
I'm not sure if it's a private company, but that's cool.
Descon, still saying local. I can search it.
Can we do Nike next?
Yeah. We have a better company, man. That's a little favorite. Descon Limited, the one in India.
There's this one called Goliath, this one. But there's this one called Goliath, this one. But we can do it.
Oh, yeah. Who said Berkshire? You said Berkshire. What's the ticker for Berkshire? BKH नहीं? That's Black Hills. Berkshire Hathaway. Any reason why it's your favorite company, or Warren? BRK.
I think it's the same abbreviations to your NASDAQ या जो
हाँ 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 वो I'll take you to the corporate profile. उसमें ना आपको ऊपर देखो उस पे नजर आ रहा होगा, this is NYSE BRKA. So this is as of New York Stock Exchange. This is the thing. We standardize it. We do it. जो हमारी internal coding है ना वो आपको इसके ऊपर नजर आ रही है. That's an MI key and SPCIQ key. For internal data pull purposes, we use those numeric keys. For all those things which are regulated and which are reported on the stock exchange, we take them as it is. Yeah, this is in-house developed by S&P, based people in Islamabad, people in India, people in Manila, people in US make it. So a lot of CS graduates. I have around 454, 500 CS graduates. We have a big website development team, and then we have a big commercial team, and then approximately 400 data people as well.
Can we say that yes, I know this deviates us from that, but I have a general question.
I hope this is not recorded, man. Shoot for it.
This is a network solution basically that you're offering to businesses.
Yeah, it's technically a fintech. So we give generic solutions and we customize solutions based on our clients and their needs as well. So it's a combination of both of those things.
And it's Pakistan based.
The company?
Yeah.
No, it's a New York based company. Yeah, we are headquartered in New York, but we have an office in Islamabad. We have 1,600 people in Islamabad. We have around 20,000 people in India. Manila, we have 1,000 people. Argentina, we have 400 people. These are the bigger offices. The smaller offices are mostly sales offices and front-end customer offices, like a Dubai, like a Chicago, like a Denver. But primarily work is done in these parts of the world. I have just opened HBL for your reference as well, because you can see how they are called HBL and Karachi Stock Exchange, and you can see their financials as well. Nothing. You want to see how much their CEO is making? No?
Sure.
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. That number is reported, and that's on our there as well. So Mr. Nasir Salim is the president and CEO. Let's look at. Probably Pakistan doesn't disclose it, but let me give it a good shot. Yeah, it captures आपका जो है ना, the buying and purchasing of shares internally. That's insider activity. We can see our CEO's salary. So if I search S&P over here, there you go. Our CEO is actually retiring in November, getting a new one. So we can see his salary as to what he's making. Yeah, he worked in Citibank for I think most part of his career, because he helped Citibank Argentina office. He made the entire setup there, and then he moved back to US.
Is he a software engineer?
No. I can pull it up. I don't want to be wrong, man. I think he did something in business from US.
Probably the CEO seat to be vacant.
No, we have a new CEO, man. Yeah, we have a new CEO. We're going through the transition office. Her name is Martina, this second in line. She's gonna take this, the first female CEO we have in our history. Mr. Doug Peterson, where is your salary? There you go. Executive compensation. You can see how much is he making over the years.
In dollars, right?
Yeah, man.
Very cool.
Keep on counting the zeros. What do you want me to confirm? Yeah.
In dollars.
हाँ यार वो it's a big number. Salary तो it's a smaller number. आप वो देखो the bonuses he getting, the stock awards and everything. That's salary तो उसकी $1.3 million है, which is peanuts. उसके $13 million के तो उसको stock awards मिल गए थे साल में. एक साल की बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको कुछ हाँ वो सारा everything from a public company is on this platform.
And can you please scroll upwards? उसकी qualification.
हाँ उसकी भी बोल दो यार उनको.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I think he's done something from you. Forex से.
College से mathematics किया.
हाँ ये आपके सामने है. It's very transparent.
He has been developing softwares for Citibank.
Yeah, he started with investment banking there and then he set up the entire operations. जब after a certain time now you do not develop things, you manage those teams to time.
He was the sole co-founder.
No, so he's not a co-founder of this.
He's the CEO.
He's the CEO, which is decided by the board of directors. Our co-founders were Mr. Poor, Henry Poor was his last name. So I was talking about the history of S&P. So he came up with a book which is gonna publish all railroad data in the US. That's how we started. Then we acquired McGraw-Hill. Any idea what is McGraw-Hill famous for? What? McGraw-Hill is technically one of our major company as well, but we don't do any more publishing there. So we have evolved over the period of time. Yeah. Do you want to see financial models?
Yeah, I'm not sure how much I understand.
So Berkshire में class of years
हाँ
class A
है
वो भी हम
हाँ क्यों नहीं हो गया ये लो आपको Berkshire. अच्छा we deviated from Berkshire ये खुली हुई है. आपको उसका स्टॉक चार्ट दिखा दें. A little old to the product. I don't use it very well. लेकिन मैं कल रात से product use कर रहा था कि आप लोगों को दिखाना है. So I don't want to give a wrong number. Yes. Stock chart.
This data is being updated every minute or every hour?
यार depends on the data. जो आपका देखो market का data है ना, stock exchange से आ रहा है, that's coming through a feed to us. जो dashboard पे update हो रहा है, that's the frequency of data being updated. That's done in seconds. Some data is uploaded on a quarterly basis. Some data is done on a semi-annual basis. Some data is done on an annual basis. Some data is done on an ad hoc basis. So based on how much data is reported, we get it. We have a timeline and SLA of each data point to be added into our product. उस हिसाब
So we can customize the frequency. If we want, for example, some data is coming seconds, we want minutes, or we.
नहीं देखो वेबसाइट पे तो कंफर्म हो जाएगा उस पे. अगर आपने अपना एक प्रोडक्ट अपना मॉडल बना दिया है वो तो आपने रिफ्रेश सुबह उठ के करना है या रात को करना है. That's up to you to do it. That's going to be very customizable as per you. ठीक है. इस तरह जिस तरह I have couple of models for you as well. Yeah, this is my favorite and we worked on making it as well. So this does the 2-point analysis. Apna the 3-point and the 5-point. Everything, it's very simple, but it calculates everything for you in a spreadsheet over the last 10 years for a company. Okay, the 3 base 2-point analysis, the 5 base as well. Tax cover bhi diya hua hai. Any finance people who are curious about it as well. ठीक है. तो 1 minus tax rate करके हमने वो किया हुआ सारा कुछ. So this is specific. आप देखो how easy it for आप एक कंपनी का 10 साल का 2-point analysis within a click कर सकते हो. आप इधर जाओ instructions tab पे जाओ, you select English, you select the company, ticker and वो डालो, you select the year और उसके हिसाब से वो सारा कुछ आपको within seconds update कर देगा. A very basic model. WAC किसको आता है? और दो लोगों को आती है. What is WAC? हाँ क्या करती है आपको WAC?
Basically it tells us कि कोई कंपनी जो है वो ऑपरेशंस के लिए लाइक जहाँ से कैपिटलाइज कर रही है लाइक उसकी परसेंटेज क्या है कि उसने स्टॉक्स कितने लिए हुए हैं और उसने लाइक डेट कितना लिया है लाइक उसकी परसेंटेज को बता.
आपके ख्याल से कितना आसान होगा वो करना?
This is actually complicated in my opinion. Because apparently वो काफी simple लगता है लेकिन
Mhm.
like exact value calculate करना is quite.
The WDRD plus WCE plus RC. So all of that is done again in a model. So these are our library models. मैंने library से ना आप लोगों के लिए download करके रखे हुए थे. So you'll see the entire overview of this model on one page for any layman. If a lawyer wants to use this model, they can use it as well. आप इसको जाओ, you go to the model assumptions, you will see उसमें हमने लिखा हुआ है कि what does WACC mean, how does it get computed, and this is all of the work which is done from Islamabad as well. ठीक है, so this is not something कि जी न्यूयॉर्क में ही हो रहा है या लंदन में ही हो रहा है, this is all done. ठीक है, and you can see the variables and everything. So this is done by a team of individuals in Pakistan, and this is posted in our library. ठीक है, और उससे आप फिर आगे ना आपकी कंपनी की वैक्स आ जाती है. Seems very easy while I'm showing you, but it's one hell of a job. हाँ. Have you heard about HHI? HHI का नहीं पढ़ा हुआ है? Hirschman Herfindahl index पढ़ा हुआ है? क्या होता है? अच्छा चलो, I'll get it. I was making notes, so I'll just pull that. It basically does, if two entities are merging, it gives a score of a certain threshold. उससे नीचे होगा तो it doesn't become a monopoly, right? It's a very common thing in the US banking sector. If two banks are merging, what if they become a monopoly in a specific region? So let me just pull up the model for you. So this is our template model library. You can see we have 568 models as of today in this. Okay, so you can just go to the model template search bar and find it. Let me just pull the branch transaction, which covers the M&A bit for you. The internet weaker, that's why it's not letting me download. We have that model. इसलिए मैं घर से download करता भी don't have ability to download everything. HHI model. HI. Hirschman Herfindahl index. It's an index which is recognized globally to stop companies becoming a monopoly. Okay, so the moment it goes at a certain point in time, if two bankers, you're a banker and you're saying let's merge with MCB, you run this model, you share it with your CFO, and you say, if we go this route as per this model made by S&P, we'll become a monopoly, and regulators will flag us out. यार उसमें based on which market you're going now will do it. So if you're going into branch, they have a certain threshold कि आपने इस branches से ज़्यादा जाना नहीं. So all of that is done in that model. ठीक है? All investment bankers. हाँ, मेरे पास अभी hits नहीं है, but I can show you how many hits does each of our model get and by who as well. So who's using our model and how much they are using, it's all in our model list.
Does this model also incorporate the legal aspect? मतलब हर country की अपनी limits होती है.
वो नहीं करता. देखो, that's very qualitative data. जब आप quantifiable चीजें लेते हो ना, then you engage and leverage your legal teams to do it. जी हमने quantifiable side से okay कर लिए, अब आप देखो what are the legal repercussions of it. उसको हाँ
मेरा idea कि अगर मैं ये template use करूँ, तो दो companies के मैंने for example select किए subscribe
हो गया.
ये model मुझे एक analysis, एक conclusion देगा कि should they merge या.
From a financial and a numeric perspective, it's doable. From a financial or a numeric perspective, it is doable or not. ये बता देगा.
और वो कोई recommendation नहीं दे सकता कि आप division let go कर दो तो ये threshold से नीचे आ जाएगा.
वो we don't do recommendations. वो आप inputs change करके कर सकते हो. देखो, if you start giving recommendations, so people will start investing based on what we are saying now, which is going to be a little yes. That's not this is not the business we do. वो consultancy business में अगर आप हमारे पास आओ, you do a specific one, then we can. So in this model where we are selling data, we don't.
It's great because data is something that's.
Yeah.
Let's talk about education sectors and we're a market which isn't considered mature. So उनको कितना ये समझा जा सकता है कि data is something that is going to be important in the next coming years. I was working in this field a bit because I wanted to collect data points as students. So need data schools को leverage करने what the schools are doing about how we can do the courses, etc. All rudimentary, but you get the point.
Yeah, Rennie, I get the point, and we've been in touch with two campuses, LUMS and NUST, to establish something like a Bloomberg terminal.
Because public school in the US is running doing great.
Oh, we have 500 schools across the globe on us. A lot of schools in Europe buy us. A lot of schools in US have us as well. So we want to do that. I was saying to your colleague here, we're a little expensive. We S&P, so we are a little expensive than Bloomberg as well. But then our students' traction is a little limited. So probably the campuses don't get that ROI which they want. कि जी अगर हम $15,000 लेंगे, how many of you will use it for your projects?
US public school is doing great.
Well, a lot of them there as well. Let's see how much we can convince your senior faculty to buy it.
Do you foresee Pakistan going towards the same route because we're in a emerging market, more developed there?
Yeah, we that's why we have a 1,600 people established team in Pakistan as well. If we are a big market for that as well, we just want to tap into these smaller markets and take it there. आपके ख्याल से हमारा पेंजीवा क्लाइंट कौन होगा पाकिस्तान में?
Sorry?
पेंजीवा का क्लाइंट मैंने बताया था पेंजीवा किस चीज का प्रोडक्ट है हमारा.
I was a bit late.
Okay.
I'm very sorry.
Yeah, it's a supply chain product. हमारा पाकिस्तान में supply chain का क्लाइंट कौन होगा?
MNC.
MNCs of PNG and Unilever.
यार वो हमारा ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं. तो MNG, PNG and Unilever are not Pakistan companies, so hardcore Pakistani company. Yeah, it's a local company.
Packages.
Yeah,
TCS.
TCS तो ग्लोबल कितनी शिपमेंट करता है? Yeah. Local. Recent काफी उनका बड़ा happening IPO भी हुआ था. I'll help you guys. Yeah. नहीं. ये मुझे नहीं पता यार. I don't follow local market a lot. फैसलाबाद की कंपनी, I'll help you there. हाँ वही है. पहुंच गया ना?
काफी पुरानी कंपनी है.
हाँ काफी है. और किस सेक्टर में ये बता दो. हाँ बट अब कंपनी का. Yes, Interloop is the only company in Pakistan which buys Panjiva data from us. लेकिन IPO तो अभी हम खरीद तो हमसे अभी दिया ना. IPO कब हुआ उनका? ज्यादा पुराना तो नहीं हुआ उनका IPO.
काफी टाइम हो चुका.
हाँ इतना तो नहीं हुआ ना यार. नहीं साल के अंदर नहीं, पुराना 3-4 साल पुराना है. So they buy our supply chain data. ठीक है, and they use it to track their shipments and how. हाँ वो सारा जो export कर रहे हैं यहाँ से textile, they need to see how quickly their shipments are reaching and the transparency they get as compared to, let's say, a P&O company which is a shipment, if they can sell their shipment to Europe quickly or someone else can do it. So that's why they leverage it.
So I have a question about careers.
जी.
So for S&P, I mean, typically a graduate, for example, let's say IBA or something, right? 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years. So
Yeah, I can share my example. 13 years and I'm managing a global team. So my आप इसमें आपको तो दे थोड़ा सा समझ लोगे what is it doing? Okay.
There are few responses left in Bangladesh.
So we'll figure it out right now. So in terms of career progressions, so you can start off as an associate. Okay? We encourage people to start off as an associate. Okay? After that, the natural progression in every role is a senior associate. Okay? उसके बाद you get 2 options. You can either go into people management and become an assistant manager or become a subject matter expert, which is a specialist, senior specialist, an advisor, and a senior advisor. When you become an advisor or a senior advisor, you sit in client calls and enable them to make decisions or jump on a plane and go and talk to them as to what is best for us. Okay? As a people manager, you take the route which I have in terms of scaling and building teams there as well. Okay? I never wanted to be a people manager, more like most of the people from LUMS, hardcore economics grad, mathematics minor. I wanted to make a career in power price fundamental models. Okay? And that's why I joined Energy as well. But then I started a team in Canada. I went there, did that, and then my manager said, "Do you like people management?" I'm like, "Why not?" So that is the opportunity which a company like S&P does. Okay, you can switch gears which you want as well, and we give you. We can shamelessly do our marketing as well.
associate to senior associate to decide which path you want to take.
Yeah, from a senior associate, उसके बाद it's डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट, लेकिन ये नहीं होता कि आप एक पाथ पे चले गए हो तो आपने सारी जिंदगी उस पे रहना है. You can switch and then come back. I still have an option to go as an individual contributor route to an advisor as well and do that work if I have the right skill set. Depending on what your skills are, what kind of qualification you have.
For example, अगर इस्लामाबाद का ऑफिस है तो इस्लामाबाद की ही और पाकिस्तान की ही जो भी मार्केट इंटेलिजेंस है, जो भी नीड्स है उनको कैटर करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल इंडिया का भी कुछ काम करता है.
सारी दुनिया की करता है. हाँ, it's not limited to Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में तो क्लाइंटेल ही हमारी यार, I'll be very honest, हमारी तो $4.5 million की बुक ऑफ बिजनेस है पास, which is nothing. इतना तो हमें एक यूएस क्लाइंट पे करता है.
What is this starting salary at compensation you offer for this starting?
It's what are your expectations as a fresh graduate? Undergrad जवाब दें मुझे, MBA बाद में देंगे. दे दे एक्सपेक्टेशन तो फेंक दे यार, क्या होगा हैं? रियलिस्टिक फेंक नहीं जो मार्केट में मिलती है.
My internship is 40K, right?
गुड जॉब तो अगर हम इंटर्न को 40 दे रहे हैं तो फुल टाइम को कितना देंगे? हाँ, शेल अच्छी, शेल में कितनी थी? कितनी थी हैं? अच्छा, so but we pay 3 times more than an intern, so we start off at 120 plus as a fresh graduate.
For example, if there's a person going from Jammu to Islamabad specifically for that, like 40K तो उसका like 30-40K तो rank चले जाएगा.
तो 70-80 तो बच गया ना. इतनी मैथ आप करोगे तो थोड़ी सी हमें भी आती है. So but I think from a career starting point, it's a good starting point. Not to boast about my company, but I have spent 13 years. Yeah, एक तो we don't have any sales locally, so we don't give a car or a fuel locally. We don't want you to be roaming around. ना आपने जो भी करना है desktop करना है. So at a certain grade, we give allowances like a cell phone allowance, a car allowance, and a fuel allowance as well. People who work night shifts, we give them a night shift allowance. People who work evening shift allowance. We're one of 8 companies in Pakistan who give medical insurance to the employee, their spouse, their kids, and their parents as well. No, none of the company give it to parents. So our parents are eligible till at 80 or 85 for all the free insurance as well. And we partnered with EFU Allianz, which is a global partner. ये नहीं कि इस्लाम पाकिस्तान में हमने स्टेट लाइफ के साथ कर लिया करते हैं. We have the same global policies for all of our employees who are in Pakistan or
Your parents,
लम्स करते हैं. हाँ जी, लम्स करते हैं. अब एक रिपोर्ट पब्लिश इसमें आई थिंक टेलनॉर करता है. लम्स था, S&P का नाम था, तो इट वाज अ इंडिपेंडेंट रिपोर्ट पब्लिश एंड इट वाज शेयरिंग ऑल दिस.
Someone watching their career in good marketing. How important is it for him to be well versed in the computer science?
Yeah, I just had basics from CS 101 किया था. I studied CS and O levels, yeah, A levels and everything. That's it. That's the CS I had, and then I learned SQL and everything after the job. So we have in-house training program called Learning Exchange. You can enroll yourself and constantly upstate yourself. I have a deadline of November 5th or 15th. एक जैसे आएगा course है जो कि मैंने complete करना है. I'm just trying to find the right amount of 2 days to complete it. The company forces you on certain things, and the company pays you on an annual basis a certain amount. Pakistan का 3.5 लाख है आप अपनी education expense every year. So आपने CFA करना है, आपने BMP करना है, कोई भी certificate करनी है, go through it, company reimburses.
What do you think helped you stand out from applying S&P, given that you didn't know this skill?
To be honest, I had friends. My roommate from Rams, he was employed 2 months before me, so he had to be prepared for the interview. So leverage your network, leverage the people who are already working in a company, do some networking. I'll say the most important thing is to have your elevator pitch ready. Elevator pitch is not more than 90 seconds.
So, for a fresh grad to give an interview, what difference does the CFA level one make?
Well, it gives you an edge. If you're able to sell your CFA level 1 in an interview, that gets you there as well. And then I recommend certain specific jobs for a CFA level 1. We have an investment management team. You are a good fit there. Someone with the insurance market can be a good fit in the CFA level 1 background. Generic banking में ना जाओ, But everyone with a finance background can go as well. But if you're a CFA level one, go to investment management and
Yeah, that's a question, but then I also wanted to ask, what's the timeline like for an associate to become a senior associate? Is it like a training program like it is with other companies, or is it a longer process? Like
yep, we give you a 4 to 8 weeks of training program. Depends on how quickly you master it. Then after that, the progression, the next level, which is a promotion, is based on how quickly you get to the next level. We have trackers, so we have promotion trackers. So we give you those trackers. You need to be at the next level. That can be a 10-month thing. That can be in a 20-month thing. So you drive your career, we enable you. After all.
Be adding to it.
How do you see the market change in 4 years?
Market change, I think, from a very basic kind of roles to more transformative roles is what we're going to do. So let's say I had a team of 500 people doing client support. Now 400 of them are doing that. 100 people are working on the back end of the chatbot. Someone needs to drive that chatbot, right? Someone needs to take data from it, tell it what is relevant, what is not relevant, and then enable that chatbot to do more AI queries. That's why I'm myself taking a course in AI.
I agree with your intern in the PE or VC side. And then you also mentioned concepts which means like some kind of people to go, particularly with investment. I just want to understand what do you mean when you say this? You don't have any people managing. So are you calculating particularly uses of those people for investing someone else's money? Or does the job entail
Does the job entail
something else?
Yeah, depending on which job you're taking. If you are an associate client support, you'll probably get queries from clients as to how they can better use a product to make decisions. You being the in-house expert and subject matter expert will guide them which model to use, which product to use, and when to use that. If you land a job in the prospecting team, which is pre-sales, you'll be on a different thing. You'll be seeing who is using, let's say, ratings for the credit market. How can we sell them? So your job will define what you do day in, day out, and that's how you're going to leverage your question.
I just want to get a personalized idea of when you say you are an investment management, what does that really mean?
Sorry. So the investment management client support team will deal with all investment managers. They know this is an email address and a specific years in IBM. So anyone who has an investment management related question will reach out to you directly. They will not go in and out of the account. So you have direct access to them, and then you write them. That's what we do as an investment management client support.
If you go on the link Reddit here for the jobs, open job, what is the process? For example, if anybody applies to one of these jobs, how many interviews and how long it takes to get them?
Yeah, it depends on the position. So entry level jobs होती है ना वो 1 year 2 interviews max 2 interviews. जो senior person roles होते हैं उस पे आप लोग 3 interviews.
The duration 1 month or
yeah, 2 weeks to 6 weeks. Yeah, depending on everyone's ability. मेरे आजकल में interviews थे सामान बंद हो. So all of those things play. For US का भी छुट्टी आ रही है. तो हमारा family is not just in Islamabad. So I had someone from Islamabad, someone from US take it. So we need to find a common place to play with.
for example, anybody who is in Lahore, he wants to be based to be.
We virtual team only करें. Even for folks in Islamabad, most of the interviews are done on me.
Hire most experienced people and preparation.
Fresh graduates, I'll say, is 60 to 70%. Seasoned people are 20 to 30% of OB specific. Let's say technology with other seasoned people चाहिए. Let's say web stack developer चाहिए, Salesforce developer चाहिए. वो में seasoned चाहिए होते हैं. But most of the roles globally are fresh graduates. We have a very specific program which is called Early Careers Program. Everyone from school is part of it. I think इस साल 350 बंदे from school आए हैं जो we hire people, invest in them and develop.
Fresh graduates से पहले internships वगैरह, let's say the first year, freshman वगैरह.
Yeah, we try to do internships towards an ultimate year, which is after your junior year. Like if you have some experience and you are ready to hit the market as well now.
Yeah.
So आप मेरे पास पास शायद एक साल में वापस आ जाओ, तो पहले साल में टेंशन पर probability of coming back is a lot more. So we play with a little bit of numbers.
So two different questions. एक तो ये कि जो for people who start off in Islamabad, is there a chance for them at some point in their career to be completely based internationally, not just for one project or two? एक तो ये. And then secondly, about work culture, both of at managerial level, you've got 600 people. Like
At an internal level, you can ask. I can walk out of this room and she can ask. She's not paid anything by simply after the internship.
No, I think I was just talking to him about the work culture. SMC has a really nice work culture, very welcoming, right? So while everyone thinks that, you know, it's a financial industry, maybe it's going to be very dry and boring, it's not like that at all. There are a lot of cultural initiatives. Generally, the concept of PRGs, do you guys know about them?
I think you need to,
So basically-
your classical Shabila.
So basically, they're like people resource groups, like we have societies. So there's like a concept of that happens in SMC globally, right? So you're part of multiple initiatives, right? That is a part of your basic work as well. So it's always very entertaining. At first, I also thought the timings were a bit off and all, but they're not, because the office is running 24/7. So the way the people are working, it doesn't seem like working at an odd hour or whatever. You'll always have people available, everyone's going to be helping you, whether it's from your department or not. I think the number of connections that I probably made, even as an intern only, probably will last really long enough. Because even as an intern, I got to interact with people globally as well. People who were executives, higher level as well as people at lower level. I actually would like to say I made a couple of friends with people working there as well. They're older than me, but yeah. So I think the work culture is very, very welcoming.
What exactly was, let's say, your job description? What exactly did you do?
So basically, I was a rotational intern, right? So for rotational interns, because they want to give knowledge and experience of all the different departments at SMC, which has a lot. So technically, I was in commercial, right? It's a very big department. We have a whole slide there for that as well.
18 teams.
Yeah. There's commercial, within that, there's 18 teams. So there's client support, which is all the different industries like real estate, insurance, and all of them that are catering to the clients directly, right? And then there's also like supporting teams, right? So you have your account management, product management, CRM ops, so on and so forth. There are 18 teams. So initially I was within client support, but I was rotating between different teams. So I worked with real estate as well. I worked with FIG, which is Financial Institutions Group. I worked with insurance. So you'll be learning about the general company as well. So you get to do a lot of skill-based trainings as well, certifications. S&P gives certifications themselves. So I remember I did my whole course on SQL from S&P. My Excel training, I'm certified from basic to advanced through S&P.
You have mentors. The mentors are from SMC.
Yeah.
Yes, and these trainings are also, they have platforms, right? So there are multiple platforms that are available with videos and exams and assessments, just like Data Camp and LinkedIn Learning, and also S&P has their own platforms. So you learn on those as well, and then you're certified and so on and so forth. So there's that, and then the different industries, and then I was assigned with this project directly with Saad and other members, which was basically like talent acquisition and more towards like, betterment of the students and getting people in. So you also have individual projects, and then you have different teams that you're working with. Yeah. I hope that.
Any follow-up questions?
How long was the internship?
2 months? 8 weeks?
Yes.
Yeah.
8 weeks.
Yeah.
But it went by pretty quickly because it was a blast. It was a lot of fun. And they feed you a lot. They do. They take you out a lot.
What are the timing?
So I worked from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Right, and then there's the business equity people work from 12 to 8.
Yeah.
So there are different timings in different departments. So my time is
And you still have limited options for.
I have 10 interns this year. Last year I had 8 interns. You were two ladies from LUMS, right? There was another girl? Yeah. So 2 from LUMS. I think we had a couple from last.
Junior, senior?
So I did it after my junior year. This
So
summer.
she's graduating. So यार पहले हम we want to be cognizant कि हम उनको chance दें जो graduate होने वाले हैं ना, because they are going to land the job market before you. So they need to be ready for the market. That's a very vested investment we want.
Is the degree required for applying?
for internship.
Yeah.
No.
For a job.
No. We
Qualification is something that we focus on.
we want people with skills, and our skills keep on evolving. A degree is a nice to have, not a must to have. If you've written your GPA on your CV, man, I'll judge you. Other people judge you or not, but you need to convince us in that 45 minutes of interviews. People with a 4.0 have failed, and people with a 2.3 have done an amazing job. Didi. I'm the global vice president of APEX, which is Asian Professionals for Excellence. So our goal is to have people with the Asian background as CEOs of companies. So we enable to network. We started small. I was the treasurer of APEX Islamabad, and I became the president of APEX Islamabad. Then I went to represent Islamabad and Pakistan at a global level. So I work with 7 people, one from New York, one from Islamabad, one from London, one from India, one from Singapore. So we have representation from each geography, and I'm on that board which decides what we're going to do for a employee base of around 15,000, which is all Asians. So yeah, that's what I was referring earlier. When you're in lumps as well, try playing a sport, try playing a team sport. So in S&P, in addition to my job, this is a project which is given to me to build career talent pipeline for Pakistan as well. So that's what Shireen worked with me. So that's in addition to the job I'm doing, because my team primarily hires right out of school. So I need to invest in them so I can hire you guys.
I have a question. So apart from the technical skills, what soft skills do you think the interviewees that you get or the people who are getting on board, what are the soft skills that they lack that we should hone it as well?
Wonderful question. I can talk hours on that. Yeah, I think a lot of people, even from the best school like LUMS, do not have an elevator pitch.
Yeah.
Okay? They do not do research on the company.
Exactly.
Okay? They do not do research on the interview panel members. How easy it is to see who's interviewing you and go to LinkedIn and stalk, right? You're going to research on that. You'll find something common. I think Shireen, when she came for her interview, we went both to the same school, which is Frobels, and then we went to LUMS, and her interview start was amazing. She's like, oh, we have so much common, and the other person still tends to make fun of Shireen, like, Saad, you didn't let me talk in the interview because you found so much common with her and you kept on talking for 30 minutes. Try finding something to talk to that person. Elevator pitch आपकी ready होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? What sets you apart? How many students are in LUMS in let's say the business school? 500? 400?
I'm not sure.
सारे graduate हो जाएंगे? 500 सारे graduate हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? सबको तो नहीं ऐसी जॉब देगा. What sets you apart from your colleagues? It's the soft skills. Have you learned SQL? Have you done Power BI? Have you learned what is Tableau? Have you done what is Einstein Analytics? Okay? All of that, them are very intuitive tools for driving your business. Okay? We used to work a lot on Salesforce. Okay? We used to create a lot of dashboards. I actually have a Power BI dashboard. So we've recently moved to Power BI for all of our interactions as well. So this is how a Power BI dashboard looks like. Everything. So this is not everything should have been done in Excel, right? ये सब कुछ Excel में बन सकता है, लेकिन Power BI does it for you. ठीक है? So we get all of the backend data is coming from Salesforce, the CRM. It is integrated with Power BI. What I'll tell you what this is showing. So this is showing our client response time within 60 minutes. So every client query we get, we need to respond to them within 60 minutes. ठीक है? You all are layman to our products. आपको नजर आ रहा है कि हम by a month कितना percentage हम clients को reach out कर रहे हैं by industry. कौन सी industry कितनी specific है? If we go to industry specific, I think it will not let me connect on LUMS Wi-Fi. This is what you can see. We have internet options. We can't connect to every internet.
Sorry to cut you off with another question.
Mhm.
Like following up, in Pakistan, we're facing a lot of technological issues, and one of the most prominent ones is internet. So, like, this is the place we're operating in, and this is the place we're operating from. Do you think that has any negatives, cons, or does that hinder the growth of the department over here as well?
Yeah, not directly hinder the growth because we have master level contracts with Niatel, Transworld and PTCL.
तो आप जब गवर्नमेंट बंद करती है तो
पूरे इस्लामाबाद का इंटरनेट बंद होता है, हमारे ऑफिस का इंटरनेट नहीं बंद होता। That's और ना बिजली हमारी बंद होती है क्योंकि we have gensets हमने लगाए हैं, सारा कुछ किया है। But when people who work from home, they have issue. So that's why हमारा ऑफिस आज भी खुला है। Anyone who can make it on their own, we give transportation to all females as well. वो हम बंद करते हैं। But any male who can make it to the office can come and work from the office. We have unlimited tea, coffee as well. Yeah. Anyway, it gets better as well. We have the granola bars, the yogurt, the laban, and unlimited supply of unlimited and fruits as well. So this is how we do it in the New York office as well. We give fruits, flavored yogurt to our employees as well. So exactly the same behavior replicate.
Are there exchange programs like people working in this department in Pakistan or Islamabad, they go to New York and spend a few, let's say, months or weeks there?
Yeah, we had it earlier, like, and we had to cut it down because of tax implications. When you're a bigger company, the issue was that you are on the payroll of Pakistan.
Yeah,
You're paying taxes to Pakistan, but you're enjoying the amenities of the New York City. So that didn't well. But if you find, you've been working with us for 3 years, you find the role in, let's say, London, you qualify for it, you can go there and we can sponsor you as well there. The sponsorship is anywhere between $20,000 to $25,000. And we've done that.
Are you operating in Bangladesh or India?
India, we have like 5 offices.
So for the transfer ones, do you guys prefer people from in-house or for senior roles, or is it someone you have in-house?
Yeah, we prefer that. So my recent 2 exports are Dubai and to our London office. So Varda was a customer success manager looking for credit markets. We had someone opening in London. We couldn't find anyone there. She applied, we moved her to London. Arjun was our marketing manager for the emerging markets. So he wanted to specifically cater to Saudi. He was already looking at emerging markets, so he was best suited for that, but we moved him to Dubai.
And just to follow up on that, do you guys recruit at the base level? So like for startup school, do you guys recruit only in country, or let's say if I wanna get a job in Dubai, can I apply from here, or is that only for specific people graduating?
No, you can apply there, like, and you won't have the work permit.
No, so I have heard.
If you have it, you can go back. So if you have it, and put it in the details as well. You have a CAM or a work permit for that specific country, and then you can get it. So we want to find let boundaries. Anything else?
A bit shallow question.
Many go for it. No judgments.
Is it a myth or a fact that people from Islamabad are prepared for internships and like not their? Because I had a decent CV, but I was never called for the interview.
I'll share my reason for doing it, and I tell my recruiters to do it. No, we want you to experience internship. Okay, for you to experience it, we want you to come to office. ठीक है, अगर आपको हमने इंटर्नशिप ही देनी है तो हम लेट्स सारी इंटर्नशिप लेट्स कहें वर्चुअल करते हैं और cheapest part of the world में खोल दें, ठीक है? How will we groom people? We have witnessed, we have data points where people who come to office versus people who do not come to office have a very different behavior.
So if they're willing to come to the office, then first point.
वो बेटा फिर हमें कहीं सीवी में तो लिखे, सीवी पे एड्रेस क्यों लिखे हो आप?
Yeah, that was the thing that I was.
तो एड्रेस ना लिखा.
कि अच्छा मुझे एड्रेस लिखना है क्या लिखूं, because I had heard that like if you're going to mention your city that is not a Sampa, so probably like it can have a negative impact. कि अच्छा like.
हाँ तो आप ना लिख और आप जो है जैसे पाकिस्तान in the interview say you're willing to relocate, right? So do not limit yourself by geography as well. We have a little bit of a chatbot or a generative AI assistant. those CVs को shift कर देते हैं. It's Islamabad because when we'll say.
So they are preferred basically.
Yeah, they are preferred. So if you want people, our company guidance is people should come to office 2 days a week. ठीक है, आप घर में कैसे हो? Right?
That makes sense.
हाँ तो आप नहीं आ रहे, आपके साथ let's say ये इस्लामाबाद बेस्ड है और ये ऑफिस आ रहे हैं 2 दिन में. His career progression is going to be different.
No, don't you think that like if the internship is in person and the person is applying that is not from Islamabad, so like it also implies that that person is willing to relocate for the internship, no?
ये तो आप कह रहे हैं ना वो if you see our data point, people have jobs पे एक बच्चे ने 10 किस्म की jobs पे apply किया था जिसका उन 9 का कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता उनसे. So we have to put a filter as well. So I'll say remove the city filter from. Okay. So this is what our Power BI looks like, and this is all done from Islamabad as well. So front end and back end. ये अब आपको front end नजर आ रहे हैं. People who spend a lot of time of that go to the back end. Okay, once you go to the back end, it's not for CS. People with finance background have been able to master this as well. And then, yeah, it's a success story which I'm proud to share. I had a team which used to develop a back end of Salesforce. उस पूरी टीम को Delivery Hero, which is the parent company of Food Panda, ने कोविड में उठा लिया था. 8 people, 4 were sent to Germany, and 4 were sent to Singapore. Delivery Hero. Yeah, as the parent company of Food Panda. That's how valuable these skills are. It's not an S&P skill. It's a skill which is structured along the globe as well. Power BI, Tableau, Einstein Analytics, CRM tools, best class is Salesforce, and we use it as well. So you can develop yourself on those.
So are your courses up for
external नहीं है. That was a proposal by Sherry. Okay, why don't we open it up for external people, just like McKinsey has done it. McKinsey ने भी वो बना launch किया है ना. You do this with McKinsey, you get the certifications. Yeah, we have too much to worry about. We have too much to cater to. This is way lower. Yeah, someone is going to be certified on SQL, Excel, finance. और हमने internal किया हुआ है. Our employees do those trainings. We have those tests as well. वो test लेते हैं, they clear it and they get it. लेकिन externally, it's a can of worms which you don't want to open right now. Sometimes probably, when I have a big enough team to do it. आपका question?
ऑनलाइन कोर्सेस में जो करियर एडवांसमेंट्स के लिए कोर्सेरा और यूडेसिटी पे भी जो एसएनबी ग्लोबल उसको भी फंड करता है.
हाँ, वो भी कर. We do that as long as you make a case for yourself. कि जी, it works for me in my career path and my future aspirations. You can do it. I can share my story. My father was very adamant for me to do an MBA. I was so hesitant कि जब वो बात करते थे मैं left right भाग सकता कि नहीं करना. He forced me to apply to LUMS. मेरा डॉक्टर जमशेद साहब के साथ इंटरव्यू हुआ था यहाँ पे. It was the last interview for the day. उन्होंने मुझे बिठा दिया कि यार बैठ जाओ. मैं कहीं बैठ गया. कहते हैं क्यों अप्लाई कर. मैं कहा honestly my father wants me to do it. So he had a smirk on his face. कहते हैं कहाँ काम कर रहे हो. मैं कहती उस वक्त it was SNL. मैं कहती SNL में काम कर रहा हूँ. कहते हैं कितनी तनख्वाह. मैंने बता दी. कहते हैं 2 साल you'll leave the industry, you'll come to academia, right? You'll exit out of the race, you'll join back as everyone else, new entrant as well. Continue on that race and do an MBA from somewhere else. So I went to my manager. I said कि यार वो ये कह रहा है, कहता कर लो. So I applied to NUST. I did a full-time MBA while working at S&P. My father was happy I did an MBA, and I got a promotion within the 2 years of duration of the MBA as well, and I don't regret it as well till date. And S&P sponsored all of my MBAs.
There is executive MBA programs.
Yeah.
Who is sponsored?
हाँ. As long as it aligns with your, देखो, I wanted to go into a people management track. My manager said, go ahead and do an MBA, take some courses in HR, because that's what you want to do. Conflict management, negotiation skills, organizational design, employee behavior. I took those courses and I did that.
If the company is investing in you first, you wanted to go into people management, you were doing an MBA.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद you had to go into people management.
2 साल बाद pivot कर.
तो फिर वो company के investment हो गया.
नहीं तो 2 साल तक हम आपने उसी रोल में रखना होगा. उसके बाद आप pivot कर. 2 साल बाद मैं कंपनी मैंने I have a change of heart, or change of mind. I want project management. मेरे पास एक जॉब है जो project management की है, SSP की है. I want to play PM to कर.
So you mentioned
एक कंपनी जो उसको बोर्ड पे लेती है कि एक कंपनी इन्वेस्ट करे एक पे मैं ये कर को कोर्स लेके और कहीं और जॉब चला जाता
कितने ही को करने का कितना ही नुकसान हो जाएगा ना.
So you mentioned
so that's point of ethics as well. So we hold people to a very high level of ethics now.
So you mentioned that you did computer science and OLM. So your your bachelor's qualification was
economics major and mathematics.
Economics major with management. So considering that many of I don't know about this room, but in STSP with management sciences. So management sciences opens you exposure to a lot of exposure about. So do you think that you're looking mainly for technical people or people with greater exposure stand a greater chance of doing well in a job, especially if?
Yeah, I need a mix of both. I need someone who is a hardcore subject matter expertise, a classical introvert, who सारा दिन अपने बैठना हाँ एनर्जी फॉरवर्ड प्राइस का मॉडल समझेगा ठीक है वैट का मॉडल बनाना एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट का काम नहीं है ठीक है तो 15 मिनट बाद इधर उधर चला तो भाई वो मॉडल को देखेगा ना वी नीड अ मिक्स ऑफ ऑल दोस पीपल कैन हेल्प ड्राइव बिजनेस वैल्यू ठीक है तो वी हैव लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो सारा बड़े बड़े हेडफोन्स पहन के बैठे हैं साथ मतलब दे डोंट केयर अबाउट
How is your CEO like? Is he more technical or extrovert?
Yeah, extrovert. At this level, you need to be super extrovert. At that level, we have a local CEO as well. He is super extrovert. Everyone, every time you face, but business organizational awareness needs to be on top.
I have a question considering your experience in this field, and I'm pretty sure you've interacted with many businesses, technical, non-technical. Do you think a founder needs to be technical of sorts, or does he need to be a good manager? In that
He needs to know what he said, whether you're technical or not.
product पता
हाँ product पता नहीं आप बेच रहे हैं आपको ये नहीं पता आप टेक्निकल हो या नहीं टेक्निकल
पता होना चाहिए बेच क्या रही हो बना रही हो नहीं बना रही हो खुद
हाँ वो बना देंगे आप क्या चाहिए हम बना देंगे we have a PMI which is called Purchasing Manager Index. ठीक है that's मेरे पास I know we are short of time so that's a benchmarking tool which gives to all economies as to what will happen in that economy. We partner with local banks and leading financial institutions to do it. Pakistan come inshallah January में launch कर रहे हैं with the leading bank. I'm not supposed to disclose that bank. You will see Pakistan on the card. जब आप उस picture पे जाते हो ना तो that is highlighted based on the color and then you can see what level of I hope that's sign that S&P is coming to launch. Again, you can see purchase manager in different country profiles right there. The GDP, the data, I'll probably show it to you as well. It's my favorite. I'm not a PMI specialist, but I learned it because I had to go to HBL and give a demo to them.
PMI
Purchasing Manager Index. Yeah, this is a country PMI and data. 50 is the neutral, is the starting point. So you'll see 50 in every economy, which is great, is the darker shade of green. So you'll see India there, right? So probably the highest growing economy, right? Even higher than US, and then you'll see orange and reds as well. Those are lower than that. So we publish this. We have a team which does this for each of the economies. We're doing it for Pakistan.
Okay, I think out of all the skills like SQL, Tableau, Power BI, इसमें से आप एक कैसे इसको इस तरह preference wise कैसे नंबर दें?
Good. मैंने packing order अपने पास बना कर रखा था because I took some a couple of copies to do it as well. Excel 1, Visual Basic 2, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Einstein Analytics, and then CRM. That's my packing order. So you need to master it. Do you want me to repeat it?
Because I kind of hate VBA, so I'm not really sure.
वो फिर देख लें
Like, अच्छा ये कि like SQL में VBA का background होना चाहिए same as in like Python and everything.
No, Python is an add-on of the VBA or SQL आएगा तो आप आगे जाओगे. Okay, the reason SQL is very close to our heart, our product, this product is based on SQL. ठीक है आप
SQL language है तो database कौन सा है?
Yeah, very technical question. I can't answer it. I'll be honest. I used to use SQL to pull data from databases as well. Different service को join करते थे हमारे पास different service with different data पड़ा था and I used to do it. But I'll get back to you. Drop me an email and I'll get back to you.
Cloud में जो है जैसे cloud services हैं आजकल Amazon
AWS. We use Amazon. Yeah.
Google Cloud नहीं use
Huh? We are not Google. We are Amazon.
Basically आप बेचने वाले हैं बनाने वाले.
हाँ मैं बनाने वाला नहीं हूँ भाई. I'll be very honest. If back when I had an option to take an assistant manager role, अगर पाकिस्तान में सब sales role नहीं था, अगर sales role होता है, I would have been a salesman.
hierarchical structure में जैसा होता है हर country का एक CEO होता है. फिर उसके बाद regional
यार country का CEO by country's requirement होता है. हमने रखा हुआ नहीं है. So in the higher scheme of things, Mujib is the managing director of Pakistan. I am director commercial, so I look after everything commercial in Pakistan. I have a director technology who looks after everything technology in Pakistan. I have director data who looks after data. So we have three major verticals: data, technology, commercial. So
and then there is regional head. Global head.
So
regional दुबई के बैठते होंगे.
नहीं. So Mujib region हमारा दुबई नहीं. हमारा region guess करो क्या होगा?
South Asia.
India. So हाँ यार देखो हमारी सबसे ज्यादा clientele इस region की कहाँ पे इंडिया में. ठीक है हमारा सबसे ज्यादा employee base कहाँ पे इंडिया में. So our पाकिस्तान का जो head है he rolls up to the India head who manages Pakistan, India, Philippines and Argentina. So these are our operating centers. That's where we call operating centers. तो और उसके अलावा बाकी सेल सेंटर्स होते हैं जहाँ पे कम लोग होते हैं, वहाँ पे कोई रीजनल हेड्स नहीं होते. So everyone comes to office works. कोई उनको overarching देख नहीं रहा था. But in these 4 countries we have heads. पहले उनका क्वेश्चन सर.
Why does India control Argentina or head Argentina?
नहीं, मुजीब पाकिस्तान वाले जो है ना, he heads Argentina, Pakistan. ठीक है. Yeah. So India में तो इतनी फोर्स है कि अभिषेक looks after India and then Mujeeb looks after Pakistan, Manila and Manila. Manila and Argentina. Yeah.
तो ये पाकिस्तान सीईओ इंडिया के
रिपोर्ट इंडिया को करते हैं लेकिन मैनेज मनीला और अर्जेंटीना को करते हैं.
तो इंडिया जो है वो हेडक्वार्टर
हाँ. बस
यूएस.
हाँ, यूएस. Abhishek rolls up to Adam Kanzler, who's our president for market intelligence. Last one, CRM tools, Salesforce.
What are the exact characteristics of the clientele in India and why is it that Pakistan में हमें वो नजर नहीं आता?
यार investment developed economies है आपका from the 80s ना, every bank in the US and European market had their back-end operations
From India.
in India. So all JP Morgans, all Morgan Stanleys had their operations there. वो सारा back-end काम करता है. That was a classical business process outsourcing, not what we do. तो इसलिए it came as a market. उन्होंने Indian government ने न्यू दिल्ली के बाहर गुरुग्राम के नाम से एक शहर बनाया है. पूरा शहर बनाया है which is all for companies like S&P. हम वहाँ पे 6,000 बंदों का ऑफिस बना गुरुग्राम इंडिया. That's वो मल्टीपल थे, हम एक नई बिल्डिंग बना रहे हैं. हमारे मल्टीपल ऑफिस थे और वहाँ पे 24 आवर्स गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइडेड पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट जाती है. गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइडेड इंसेंटिवाइज्ड फूड सर्विसेज है वहाँ पे. आप पाकिस्तान में एक जगह बता दो जहाँ पे लाहौर कैसी जगह
बना लेते
हैं.
बना लेते
बतेरे गवर्नमेंट ने वादे करके हमसे चले गए थे. I will not take political names.
जेपी मॉर्गन क्या आउटसोर्स करती होगी इंडिया में, लाइक क्या ऑपरेशंस आउटसोर्स करती है?
यार उन्होंने क्या होता, कल सुबह सीईओ के साथ प्रेजेंटेशन है, ये डिटेल में बना के भेज दो. देखो वहां पे उन्होंने 5 बजे बंद किया, इंडिया भेज दिया, सुबह प्रेजेंटेशन होती थी, रातों रात काम हो जाता. ये सारा कुछ एक्सेल फाइल मॉडलिंग कर दो. सबसे ज्यादा फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग की ग्लोबल प्रेजेंस इंडिया में, क्योंकि वहां पे सुबह कलेक्शन हुई, सारा कुछ हुआ, इंडिया भेज दिया, सुबह रेडी होता.
So, a bit of a random question, but has there been any instance of someone from Pakistan relocating to India?
No.
US or that's not?
No one wants to do it. I don't know if you want to do it, but yeah, we've never had a case. यार पहले we had very good political conditions, so we used to fly to India and our जो इंडिया के हेड हैं was मुजीब बॉस, वो यहाँ आए थे, हम उनको इस्लामाबाद से लाहौर गाड़ी पे लेकर आए, यहाँ से वो फिर फ्लाई कर रहे थे. अब तो things are very tough for us. We don't even get business visas to India.
So you guys meet in Dubai then?
Yeah, we do our offsites in Dubai or a London kind of a place. So we did our offsite last year. हाँ, लेकिन once a year हम at least मिलते हैं. That's mostly हम इस तरह करके मनीला चले जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे operations भी हैं, इंडिया वालों के लिए भी easy visa है, हमारे लिए भी easy visa है. मनीला वाले खुश होते हैं जी हम कहीं नहीं जाते, तो या फिर हम दुबई करते हैं. दुबई we usually go in the summers because it's cost wise very cheap in the summers, or otherwise you go. हाँ, daily weekly meetings, Teams, Zoom, everything works for us. वो पहले भी हमारा ऐसे मॉडल था. We haven't changed a bit post COVID, but we have for the lower levels we have evolved a lot. ठीक है, और कोई क्वेश्चन जी? I have a हाँ जी, BlackRock is a subscriber. I can't show you their how much they are paying, but they are a subscriber.
लेकिन समथिंग लाइक आपने कहा था कि लाइक मुझे इस्लामाबाद से लाहौर आना पड़ता है सिक्योरिटी के साथ.
कराची के लिए जाना पड़ता है, लाहौर में अप्रूवल लेनी पड़ती है. मैं अप्रूवल लेकर आया हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू लाहौर.
कहाँ से हेड ऑफिस से?
नहीं, हमारे लोग इस्लामाबाद में भी सिक्योरिटी हेड है, वो लोग आफ्टर सिक्योरिटी, तो वो मुझे अप्रूवल देते हैं. अगर
ठीक है, आप भी मतलब एक खतरा है
यार
मैंने जब करना तो मैं सिक्योरिटी
कोई ना कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, कुछ हो जाए, तो मैं ये S&P की खातिर करने आ रहा हूँ ना, अपनी खातिर नहीं करने आ रहा. आई एम अ कंपनी रिसोर्स डूइंग इट फॉर द कंपनी. दैट्स हाउ मच ओनरशिप द कंपनी टेक्स इन इट एज वेल. जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो हमारा एक होटल है, उसमें हमें अपनी फ्लाइट नंबर डालना होता है, होटल डालना होता है, सारा कुछ होता है. हमें डेली का मैसेज और वो ईमेल आती है कि यार यू कोड इसको दबा दें, थम्स अप कर देते, यू आर कोड एज वेल. सो वी डू इट ऑन अ वेरी रेगुलर बेसिस अक्रॉस द बोर्ड फॉर.
So obviously leveraging this software to third parties is not allowed, right?
Mhm.
But the employees that you have on board, is there any accountability measure that you have to ensure that?
Yep,
it's not allowed?
Yep. We have fired multiple people without thinking a second who were selling our data outside. Yeah. There was a person who जो मैंने वो error guarantee program बताया था ना, उसने client को कहा कि यार I have a list of errors, मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ, आप भेज दें, आपको $1000 मिलेंगे, 50-50 करते हैं. तो उसने लिखा let's split it and अमेरिकन था, उसको समझ नहीं, उसने मेल कर दी. उस बच्चे का आउट ऑफ ऑफिस चला गया तो उसने जेनेरिक मेल डिस्ट्रो पे कर दी कि यार ये पर्सन ए वाज सेइंग कि जी लेट्स स्प्लिट, व्हाट डज दिस मीन. ने ईमेल थ्रेड पढ़ी, वी फिगर्ड आउट, वी कॉल्ड हिम अप, जी मंडे से आप ऑफिस ना आइएगा. दैट इज
all of this is officially.
या ऑफिस से ना भी करता घूम के तो हमारे पास ही आने की ना. So that's how ethical we are in business relations. We do not compromise. मेरा इसलिए वाईफाई अब लम्स के पब्लिक वाईफाई पे मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं चल रहे. जो घर से मैं लोड करके आया था वो चल रहा है क्योंकि वो मैंने मेरे ऑफिस के जोंग के नेटवर्क पे मैंने सब कुछ चलाया था. आपको हाँ वो यहाँ नहीं कर रहे कि यहाँ से डेटा उठा, लम्स उठाए ना उठाए, कोई भी ओपन उस पे ना वाईफाई चलता है. That's how we are.
For the,
This is a second question, but like, I was really interested about the thing you said about person profiles. Is it like contacts in which like measure like?
Yeah. We get a.
What's your platform?
So way down in the pecking order. You don't work. Probably the most after. Yeah, it's a fire stake. I'm launching a real estate society in Afghanistan. It will have swimming pools and the towers and everything. You can give me $1 million. For someone in US, so our passport is the worst passport. The economic indicators are the worst. The macroeconomic indicators are going to the negative.
What country would you say has that?
India. Oh, it's showing right up there. The India and Saudi Arabia are the greenest there. That's the purchase manager index showing as an independent, and this is done by different bodies, not a single body. So they are showing they are the best in terms of investments.
Don't you have an office in Saudi?
We are trying to set up one. We have a big team which is regularly visiting there. So we've set up sales team, and then we'll set up a front end office. Back end होगा छोटा होगा 100 लोगों का, back end office front end होगा सारा.
So for ERP services, S&P Global has its own ERP or it is using
internal सारा.
internal
Yeah.
own development?
हाँ जी.
और वो आप आगे सर्विस प्रोवाइड भी करते हैं या आप just
Internal use के लिए.
If I may ask, as someone who grew up there, what's your biggest planning to open an office in Saudi
Riyadh.
Riyadh.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Riyadh is not a no-brainer for us. So if you go to our careers page, you'll see some jobs in Riyadh as well. We are trying to get some senior people in Riyadh from a Dubai market or something as well. I know we are 8 minutes up as well, but feel free to connect with me or Shireen, with me over LinkedIn. Shireen is here. Find her on campus. She's in touch with a couple of people with S&P as well, so she can help you, guide you as well. Do as much research as you can about S&P, the careers as well. If you want to land an internship, she's your best resource. I'm a little busy to get your response, but I think she's less busy. She'll get your response on a timely basis, and she can guide you which department to go and intern as well. Because the commercial are 10 interns, but for CS majors or someone wants to go into technology, there's or data science as well. They are different. You can go there. But lovely to meet you, and inshallah we can see you on campus as well. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh,
Please.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, I think I will change the slide as well.
Yeah.
I don't want that PMI slide going on the back
Like
side.
last time.
Yeah. You know our compliance issues. Okay. Put this slide. This is gonna be a decent one.
Got it.
Do you want to be in the picture as well?
Yes, sure.
I'll take a picture. Yeah. You can send it to your friends at SNP.
Yes, I will.
Huh?
I've already sent some.
Thank you. Which one is your good side?
Just a minute. Just a second. 3, 2, 1. I took 5.
Thank you.
credits.
Thank you.
This wasn't the only one.
जी जी हाँ जी अब जब whenever you're free easy अभी रखवा पहले रखवा दें हाँ पहले रखवा दें हाँ सेकंड आफ्टर वादे तो we can put it in the car वालेकुम सलाम